District's rock quarry. We're permitted for removal of riprap for the project purposes here. We're producing what's called a D50-18, which is a rock between 36 inches and 6 inches with an average of 18 is what we're trying to get to. Taking an excavator and removing this material, running it through the riprap sorter that you see, stockpiling that material. This will be moved out this year. We're producing for the Granby downstream gauging site, which we would need about 200 truckloads of material for that. This will be the ponding area, and we'll have a drop off on that other side. We're producing all the rock. The riprap will come in and start armoring all this. Right now, that's what they're starting to do, is place riprap and armor the bottom drop-off section of the walled area. We will then have a company come in and we will shoot this rock wall. That's the face of the quarry here. And we'll go ahead and shoot for an additional 5,000 yards of, the D50-18 material for the projects next year and for the future here. We're on the west bank of Lake Granby, over on what's called the Scanlock subdivision. You can see the riprap behind us has been placed. It's an erosion protection that the government agreed to with the property owners next to that for doing shoreline protection, because this is a harsher area for shoreline erosion due to wind and water action. One thing that we are required to do by the Bureau for these property owners is to go ahead and armor the rest of this area that you see where the riprap stops over here, where we're having erosion, to protect the pieces of property next to it. And you can see the erosion that's been happening with that. We plan to do that by bringing material in when the reservoir's down. We'll put in a blanket material underneath that and then go ahead and place the riprap that we're producing over in the quarry, Northern's rock quarry over there, to do that erosion protection here and in another location just south of us.